Hi everyone, welcome to Bits Connect. Today class, application of dot product is the important topic. The first one is the work done a force. First of all, to take a diagram, the S and F. S is the displacement, F is the force. Let us consider some object or roller. Some object or roller but pulled a force. Pulled to a force F. The angle is theta angle, the horizontal. Next one, let us say the horizontal displacement is S. Force is F. To pull a force. So object is moving one place to another place. The force is F. Next one, horizontal surface displacement. Displacement equal yes. The angle is theta angle. Next one, to find out the work done a force. The formula of work done. Work done equal force into displacement. Force into displacement. The formula of work done. Therefore, W equal to F into S. But the x-axis, the horizontal component, the F cos theta. Finally, work done equal to Fs cos theta. Is the component of the horizontal component is the cos theta. Next one, vertical component is the sin theta. To take as the cos theta because of the horizontal component. The dot product problematics. The first one is the A and B are two vectors. A equal 2I bar 3J bar plus 4J bar and B vector equal to I bar or I cap minus 2J bar plus K bar. To find out the dot product of two vectors. The dot product formula A bar dot B bar. Okay, now there is no theta angle. Only find out the A dot and B. A dot B. First of all, to take as A bar equal to 2I plus 3J plus 4K. The dot product into B. B equal to I minus 2J plus K. First of all, to take as 2I. 2I multiplication of I minus 2J plus K. Right answer write down. 2 into I dot I plus 2 into plus into minus 2 to the 4 I dot j. Next one step 2 into 1 2 plus I into k I dot k plus 3 into I 3 1 ja 3 j into I j dot I plus plus into minus 3 2 ja 6 j dot j. Next one plus into plus 3 into 1 k means 1 3 1 ja 3 the j dot k plus 4 into 1 4 into k dot I. Next one plus into minus 4 to the 8 k dot j plus into plus 4 into 1 4 k dot k I dot I j dot j k dot k equal 1. Next one I dot j k j dot I j dot k k dot I k dot j equal to 0. Final answer 2 into 1. Next one step 0 0 0. Next one is minus 6 into 1. Next one j into k 0 0, 0. Next one step 4 into k dot k is equal to 1. Okay, now since I dot j, I dot k, j dot I, j dot k dot I, k dot j is equal to 0. 0 into something is equal to 0. Therefore 2 minus 2 1 are 2, 6 1 are 6 plus 4. First of all adding test values. 6 minus 6. Okay, now 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Final answer, find out the dot product of two vectors. Therefore, a bar dot b bar equal to 0 units. The next one problem is a force of 6i plus 12j plus 8k produces a displacement of 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Find the work done. The force equal to 6i plus 12j plus 8k. The next one is the displacement equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Find out the work done. First of all, the formula of work done, W equal to F dot S. Okay, now the work done is equal to F dot S. F equal to 6i plus 12j plus 8k. And next one is the S equal 2i, S is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k. To find out the work done. Therefore, work done equal to F dot S. Okay, now F equal to 6i plus 12j plus 8k. The symbol is dot. S equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Directly find out the answer. I dot I, next one j dot j, next one k dot k. Remaining unit vectors I dot j dot k dot I in the 0. Final answer 6 2 is 12, I dot I plus 12 3 is 36, j dot j plus 8 5 is 40, k dot k. Remaining unit vectors I dot j dot k, j dot I, j dot k dot I, k dot j equals 0. Therefore, W equal to 12 plus I dot I is equal to 1 plus 36, j dot I is equal to 1. 36 1 into 36 plus k dot k is equal to 1. 40 into 1 equal 40. Finally, answer 12 plus 36 48, 48 plus 40 88. The units of work done is the joules. Work done is called 88 joules. The next one problem is find the angle between a bar is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 5k. B vector is equal to I bar plus j bar minus k bar. To find out the angle, theta angle find out. First of all, A equal to 3i plus 2j plus 5k. Next one, B vector is equal to I bar plus j bar minus k bar. Okay, now finally find out the angle of theta. How much? The formula of dot product. A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta. To find out the cos theta, therefore cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar mod B bar. First find out the mod A bar and mod B bar. Mod A bar equal to the formula of actual formula of magnitude of A bar is equal to the three vectors x, y, z. So ax square plus ay square plus az square. Final answer is equal to ax square is equal to 3 square. The 9 answer plus ay square is equal to 4. 2 to the 4. 4. Next one az square 5 square 5 5 25. 13 plus 25 is equal to root 38. This is the magnitude of A bar. Next one, to find out the magnitude of B bar. Therefore, there are three vectors: Ax coordinate systems Ax, Ay, Az. The formula of magnitude of B vector equal to Bx square means 1, By is equal to 1, Bz is equal to 1. So Bx square means 1 square plus By square means 1 square plus Az square. Az means is the minus 1 whole square. 1 square means 1 square 1 minus 1 whole square means 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 equal to root 3. This is the magnitude of B vector. Next one, to find out the cos theta angle. Therefore cos theta equal to, first find out the A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar equal, A bar is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 5k. B bar is equal to dot A bar dot B bar. B bar is equal to I plus j minus k. But A dot B. So only unit vectors I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equal to 1. Therefore 3i into I. 3 1 is 3. I into I is equal to 1. Next one, 2 into 1. 2 1 is 2. J dot j equal to 1. Next one, plus into minus. 5 1 is 5. K dot k equal to 1. Finally, A bar dot B bar equal to 3 plus 2, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. A bar dot B bar equal to 0. A bar dot B bar equal to 0 and mod A is equal to root 38, mod B is equal to root 3. This values substituting this equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. Substituting equation 1 in 2, 3, 4. Equation 2, 3, 4. Finally, answer cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar equal to 0 by mod A bar. Mod A bar equal to root 38. Next one, mod B bar is equal to root 3. 0 by something is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta equal to 0. But to find out the theta angle, cos theta is equal to 0 means the theta is equal to 90 degrees. So theta is the 90 degrees. Cos theta is equal to 0. 0 degrees means the cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Finally, theta is equal to 90 degrees. Next one problem, a force F is equal to 6i plus 2j bar minus 3k bar acts on a particle and products a displacement of S is equal to 2i bar 3j bar minus a k bar. If work done is 0, so find the value of A. The force F equal to 6i plus 2j minus 3k is the force. The other one is the displacement. Displacement is S equal to 2i 3j minus ak. But work done W equal to 0. W equal to 0. W means the work done equal to 0. To find out the A value. A value. The formula of work done. W is equal to F dot S. F dot S. F equal to 6i plus 2j minus 3k. The force. Next one, the dot. The symbol is dot. Next one, S is equal to 2i minus 3j minus ak. Okay, now the dot product. The unit vectors I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equal to 1. Remaining unit vectors means I dot j, I dot k, j dot I, j dot k dot I, k dot j equal to 0. So 6 into 2. 6 2 is 12. I dot I means 1. Next one, plus into minus j dot j. 2 3 is 6. Plus 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. J dot j is equal to 1. Next one, minus. The product means multiplication. Minus into minus plus. 3 into a is the 3a. K dot k is equal to 1. Next one, W equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 plus 3a. But what done? W equal to 0. W equal to 0. Therefore, certain this equation. Equation number 1. Work done equal to 0 equal to 6 plus 3a. 6 is the right hand side. To transform into LHS side is the minus. Minus 6 is equal to 3a. Is the multiplication. Is the transform into LHS side division. A equal to minus 6 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Final answer A equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Find the value of A. A equal to minus 2.